Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another Amazon finds and favorites. So many of these I've been dying to share and I haven't because gift guides and all that good stuff. So today I have some of my all-time favorite Amazon finds to tell you about. Everything will be linked down below, including my first Amazon finds and favorites of the year and my Amazon shop, of course. I did kind of like a revamp and I added a bunch of categories like travel and spring finds and all that good stuff. So check that out if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram for more content and let's get into it. This little tray, it's like faux leather and it comes in so many pretty colors. My plan is to kind of DIY it and add my monogram with my Cricut, but I just have it as a casual tray. I have a ton of jewelry on it and I have it on my nightstand. I love the fact that it's small, it's sleek, it just looks really nice. They even have some that are great for men, which I think I'm gonna get like a matching one for my husband. And this would make the cutest little gift. It's like $9 and I think it's freaking adorable. Y'all, my Kindle is on a mission to literally embarrass me to no end. I was just on vacation with my dad and brother and my husband and I was reading on my Kindle. I left it on the kitchen table and everyone was like, what the heck are you reading? Because I'm always getting these ads. I don't know why. Anyway, my next find and favorite is nothing new, but it's my Kindle. Y'all, I've never been a reader, not in school, not Harry Potter or anything for that matter. My friends have been raving about reading, about Kindle specifically, and I knew that if I spent $200 on something that I was going to have to use it. Immediately got a book with Kindle Unlimited. It's called The Perfect Marriage. I read it in a sitting, like in one night. I couldn't get over how good it was. I couldn't get over how into reading I was. So far I've read 4 books in 2023 and I'm so happy I bought this. I'm loving reading. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. But if you're on the fence, if that's your New Year's resolution, I highly recommend doing the Kindle. I think it's like such a game changer. So lightweight, perfect for travel. So I'm super excited to be a reader now. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of dhgate. I think they have really good things and I refuse to ever spend real money on Lulu. So I have the $46 version right here, you know, with all the logos and such. You might be thinking, Philo, why are you talking about this? This is an Amazon video. Yes, because I found one from Amazon. It's not exactly the same because of course it doesn't have the logos and things like that. So many colors. It's 30 bucks. The material is super soft. It feels like the scuba. Prime shipping. I love the chocolate brown color. I also have it in the gray. I think it's like such a good alternative if you want the scuba look but you don't care about the logos and that kind of stuff. If you do, you can always go for this one. I would trust that seller with my whole heart. Like, he is so good, everything to the T like always. But if you don't care about that and you just want like a good basic pullover that has a quarter zip, the pocket and the hood, I got a size small on this one and then I think I got a medium in the gray one if you're wondering, and for this one I get a small medium. I also have the full zip in the blue color that I'm obsessed with as well. The next find is something I've been looking for literally forever since I found out I was having a girl. It's a nice way to organize her bows, her headbands, and all her accessories. This is only $11. It looks like a few little strings and then it has some nice hooks. And y'all, it's the perfect solution. I think it looks nice. I can see everything. I can easily find the color that I'm looking for. I'm getting a few more so I can color coordinate them a little better, but I'm obsessed with it. I think it's a great way to store baby girl accessories. I've always been a huge fan of Lazy Susans. I don't know how it's gonna go to show you this, but I found this one towards the end of my gift guide. It's like $19. It's huge. It literally fits like almost on my skincare and hair care. And recently I saw this one and I love it even more. I love the green. I love the gold detailing. This one has like gold legs, which I think looks super nice. Oh my god, I have a hair on my nose. I'm so sorry, but I had to scratch it. On that note, here I have a few favorites as well. I've been trying out this brand, Naturium. It's a skincare brand and y'all, it's so nice and very inexpensive for the like quality ingredients it has. This is the gel moisturizer, which has niacinamide. I think this is supposed to help with either redness or texture. Oh, actually, I think this might be texture and the serum might be for redness. Where are you? Very lightweight. These like products have not mess with my skin, and I have really sensitive skin. I'm gonna put a picture, I mean, not to brag, but I'm gonna put a picture of myself with no makeup on. I felt like my skin looks so good, and they're not too expensive. They're science-backed. I really like The Ordinary. I have it here. They're also like a science-based, you know, approach for skincare and things like that. So I'm gonna update you after using it for a while. I think I've been using it for like a month and a half, and I'm really impressed with their products so far. I will give you guys probably like a beauty favorites from Amazon soon, since I have so many things to talk about, but highly recommend looking into that brand. They have a ton of things. So I had been wanting gold silverware for quite a bit. We had like so many mix match silverware and different utensils. I found this set on Amazon for about 40 bucks. It came with all these, so the small forks, the big forks, the big spoons, which are perfect for soup, which is my favorite, very sharp knives, and then the smaller spoons. Highly recommend if you're wanting to upgrade but you don't want to splurge on like very pricey like Crate & Barrel, Williams Sonoma silverware. This one is great quality, and we put it in the dishwasher. I don't think I've officially talked about this. I definitely mentioned it in passing when I was doing my gift guides, but this is such a nice cosmetic bag for the price. I think I paid maybe $12 for it, and as you can see, it definitely gives Stunny Clever vibes, but for way less. Right now on Amazon, there's truly so many options and alternatives for Stunny Clever. You don't need to spend the money on their actual bags anymore. There's so many different sayings, there's so many different colors, so many sizes and styles of toiletry bags. I just took this on set trip. It's packed to the brim. I'm trying to like, I guess, work up a collection of like Stunny Clever alternatives so I can do an entire video, but if you need more recs or you're doing like DIYs yourself or something like that, I have an entire page on my Amazon shop. English, philo. This was definitely an impulse buy just because I saw it was on sale after it was like on my save for later. This is something I really don't need, but it's just such a good gift that I have to keep it for next December. It's this station, like charging station. It comes with a speaker and then a light, and then you set your phone here and you charge it. And this is like Bluetooth, obviously. I love the light, everything's like touch, you know, and I got it for 30 bucks. And my husband is now the proud owner of this contraption. I decided I'm going to brave up one of these days and do a whole tutorial situation on my nails, and then I realized I don't think I've talked about this in years probably, and I use this religiously. It's like a must-have in my life, so it deserves a moment on a Find Some Favorites. This is probably like $20 to $30 on Amazon, and it's an electric nail filer. Y'all, if you don't own one of these, do yourself a favor. You don't have to do fake nails. You don't have to do your own nails at home. It's just such a useful tool to have for very little money. I use it to do my toes, sometimes to my husband's, but he doesn't want me to tell you that. I use it to do gel nails. I use it to do my fake nails. It just helps them stick and last longer. I use it when I have like ingrown nails, you know, when they're painful. They're just so useful to have, so inexpensive. My mom has one. I remember my grandma even used it. So I highly recommend, if you haven't invested in one of these, to do so. I'll link this one down below, but there's so many, and you don't have to buy the one with like the huge attachment. You can just get this one that is perfect, and I've had it for 3 years, use it at least like once, twice a month when I do my nails, and it's still going strong. Okay, y'all, I actually vlogged the day that my husband installed our Amazon reclaimed wood mantle, so I wanted to insert that here, and then I will talk to y'all about like how we've been liking it and all that good stuff. That way y'all can see what we had before and what we have now, thanks to this amazing deal from Amazon. It's probably one of my top 10 favorite home finds of ever. Like, I'm obsessed. Got a mantle. It's reclaimed wood, but it's completely hollow in our fireplace. I'm so excited. But let me show you what we got right now. We got a stunning, beautiful, smart girl. And we got this. Okay, so as you can see, maybe we have a sort of shelf. I honestly didn't think I was gonna find something kind of affordable, and I did. Amazon came in clutch. Okay, sorry for the music. It was a little chaotic because I had to take care of Olivia while Dante was putting it up, and then I had to put her to sleep, as you can probably tell. But it's up. I just hid the cables behind the TV using these. I got these from Amazon. They're a dupe for the Command brand, but these are $9 and you get 12 instead of 6 for I think $10 is a Command one. I think for 72 inches and under $300, it's amazing. So now that you kind of saw that before in the process, you can see how happy I am, how much character and just life this added to a very boring fireplace. And this is where I put our stockings during Christmas. I still have this faux garland here just because I don't really know how to decorate it year round, like when it's not the holidays. But such a freaking steal. I highly recommend if you're wanting to buy something like this but you don't want to splurge on like a full-on reclaimed wood one. It came so quick. It's perfect. I could not love it anymore if I tried. I will leave the exact color that we got down below. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. I have so many videos planned for February that I'm actually going to post and share with y'all. Thank you guys for understanding and for all the encouragement in my last video when I talked about no posting and not being motivated. I got all the motivation back, seeing y'all's comments and seeing that y'all are coming back, year after year. And for all of you that are new here, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate every single one of you. But I'm so excited. I have Amazon organization coming. Like I said, I'm gonna do an Amazon beauty like recap in one video because I have so many products, and like I want to start vlogging again, sharing more of like our home decor journey, all that good stuff. I just posted an Amazon cleaning must-haves that I'm really proud of, so definitely watch that if you haven't already. And like I said, I revamped my whole Amazon storefront. I have Amazon swimsuits and like beachwear coming up for spring break, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys stick around. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.